there's a light that glows by the front door. Don't forget the keys under the mat. When childhood stars shine, always stay humble and kind.
Say hi to Connor. Say Connor. Use your bigger words. Connor.
Go to church 'cause your mama says to. Visit Grandpa every chance that you can. It won't be wasted time. Always stay humble and kind. Hold the door, say please, say thank you. Don't steal, don't cheat, and don't lie. I know you got mountains to climb, but always stay humble and kind.
Are you holding your brother? Are you holding your brother? You're in a trance.
Watching TV.
Yeah.
You want to hold his hand? Good girl.
Take the world together, we'll take them by the hand. 'Cause I got a hand for you. Oh, I wanna run with you. Yesterday, I saw you standing there. Your head was down, your eyes were red. No comb, I touched your hair. I said, get up.
Rock-a-bye, baby. Hold him. On a treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. Give him kisses. When the moon breaks, the cradle will fall, and down will come baby, cradle and all. Thank you. Kisses for the brother? Got any kisses for the baby? Oh, that's a cuddles. Got any kisses? Oh, nice job. Easy, gentle. Yeah, you give him kisses? Good girl. Careful. All right, Olivia. Don't lean on him. And kisses with your dancer? Oh.
Yay! Connor's clapping. Connor's clapping.
Hey, pretty girl, can I have this dance? And the next one after that. Gonna make you mine, there's a real good chance. Hey, pretty girl, can I have this dance?
Yep. Shoulder. He's a man? Yeah, he's a man. You can dance him?
One, two, 3, 4. Give me more loving than I've ever had. Make it all better when I'm feeling sad. Tell me that I'm special even when I know I'm not. Make it feel good when it hurts so bad. Barely getting mad, I'm so glad I found you. I love being around you. You make it easy. It's easy as 1, 2, 1. There's only
Yep. That's your baby. Oh, good. Go slow, go slow. Slow and easy. Pretty. Does Connor like it? Rock him slow. Give him kisses. Oh, good kisses. You're such a good sister. He's gonna pull your hair. Be nice. He's gonna pull the hair. What's the matter? Does he have your hair? Get out while he's not grabbing your hair. What's your brother's name?
Connor.
Good job.
Dada.
And Dada? Are
And
you?
Mama.
Easy. Hey.
Oh, Connor. Oh, Connor. Oh, Connor. Oh, Connor. Oh, Connor. I shoot.
Did he grab your shirt?
Kissing.
Give him a kiss and then off of him.
Oh, shoot. Boy, shoot us. yourself.